the spray edges of these books. Ayan, isa rin sa dahilan kung bakit ako nabudol nito. Sixth book is The Things We Leave Unfinished by Rebecca Yarros. Seventh book is The 7 Year Sleep by Ashley Poston. Eighth book is another Ashley Poston, a novel love story. Ninth book, The Spanish Love Deception by Elena Armas. I know I'm too late for this kasi parang noong 2023 pa to nag-trend sa TikTok pero I don't care. We're down to 10th book and it's Psyche and Eros by Luna McNamara. I'm so excited to read this. I received this as a New Year's gift together with Ashley Poston's A Novel Love Story. 11th and 12th book to read is Home Again and Summer Island, both by Christine Hanna. 13th book is Wedding Night by my favorite author, Sophie Kinsella. 14th book is The Cactus by Sarah Haywood. 15th book is Heartbones by Colleen Hoover. I received this book as a gift from a family member the first time I ever hosted a live stream for National Bookstore. Nadedbat na yung ilaw ko kaya medyo may change sa lighting. So ngayon nakatapat na lang tayo sa bintana and bibilisan ko na. 16th book is November 9, another one from Colleen Hoover. And 17th book is The Lucky List by Rachel Lippincott. 18th book is The Bodyguard by Catherine Center. I'm so excited to read this. And yung 19th book is A Thousand Boy Kisses by Tilly Cole. And 20th book is The Deplorable Conversations with Cats and Other Distractions by Yojo Ann. I am so excited to read all of these books kaya sila na talaga yung priority ko para hindi mawala yung excitement ko bago pa ako bumili ng mga bagong libro ulit ngayon. And to complete my 25 priority books to read this year, I will read the ACOTAR series. So this series contains 5 books and medyo naninervyos akong basahin tong Pink and Orange kasi medyo makapal siya and hindi ako fantasy girly pero I will try my best. Wow. Ito try kong basahin to and hindi pala ito try, gagawin ko talaga. And ayun, I'll try another genre for this year. Yun din ang goal, hindi puro romance lang. And yun, that's my 25 priority book list to read for 2025. So expect nyo na lahat to gagawin ko ng book review. And that's it. Bye!